In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon down in the bottom right. Then tap on the hamburger menu and then tap on settings. Under the section where it says Meta, tap on Accounts Center. Now tap on the top option where it has multiple profiles. Tap on your Facebook profile, then tap on Remove from Accounts Center. When you have read all of the above, hit continue if you're happy enough, and then tap on Remove your account. And that's basically all there is to it. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.